right here. It's been a while since we've done a little video. The GoPro was on 18% battery and then decided it was going to just die. So I got the iPhone out. And there's a little bit of break in the music. So we've got it on a side quest at the moment. So we're gonna go to Harbour Town and look at some clothes. But then we realized some massive concert started just in East Perth where we live. And we've just decided to follow the sound because we realized, wow, that's really freaking loud. So that's what we're doing at the moment. We're gonna go walk down there and have a look at this concert that's going on. The bass is really, really deep and loud. So that's our little side quest. And then we're off to City West, to Harbour Town or Watertown, whatever the correct terminology is for that shop. Say hi, Ian.
Hi, Ian.
Hi, Ian. Thanks.
Here's your sound trap.
It's like we're in a movie having this music going. I don't know if the phone will pick it up. It's like a boom, 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 boom. Whoa. That's some rattling bass going. Wow. Be some happy people in that concert, that's for sure. Stop, start, stop, start. Seems to be stop starting a lot, doesn't it? Maybe it's a breakdown in the song or something. Yeah, it could be. Well, no, sweetheart. We'll go through here, cut through here. Yeah. Luckily, I know my way around East Perth. Okay. Such a beautiful day today. Nice little water fountain there. Oh, the music stopped. I think, as I said to Yen, they must know that we're coming. So we're the sound police and they've come to turn it off because they knew we were coming. Oh, so watch out for the car. How many seconds until you think it'll start again? Or are they having sound problems?
No.
Huh? Left.
I think 20 seconds.
Alright, 20 seconds. Well, I can see the tents there, so.
But we can't
We're
see.
getting about 10 seconds now, probably down to about 5.
4,
3,
3, 2,
no sound.
1.
Oh.
Don't.
Oh,
I
yeah, you're right.
They are talking.
Oh, we came here to listen to how loud it was. All of a sudden, we can just hear someone on a microphone going like, testing. Okay.
Do you think we'll have a loud? Or maybe they're still practice for the night time.
Oh, do you mean it could be like a sound check?
Yeah.
I just thought it was like some
I don't think.
concert that's... No. Oh, it could be. Yeah, it's back on again.
I think they're just just check about all the devices.
Could be.
Okay, set up.
Yeah, because there's not many people around, is there? Wow, it's so loud.
Yeah, I think they are check the device.
We now know it's sound test.
Yeah.
Still pretty loud, isn't it?
If concert like this, I think most of the people were angry.
Yeah, why?
Just stop.
Oh, yeah. So that's where the sound's coming from, everyone. Oh, keep going. Maybe we can come back later tonight.
Yeah, when we finish our shopping.
Yeah, we can come back again.
But maybe we're a lot of people working here.
Yeah, it might be.
To be
G'day. Hey. He's getting into the spirit of it. Alrighty, back. Alright, side mission complete. Now onto the real mission. It's so loud.
I can't hear.
Yeah. Yeah, touring us done, Yen. Oh.
Let's go.
Very well done.
My hair.
Where are we going?
Outlet.
City West.
City West is where we're going. Nice apartments. Gated community with a pool down there.
Cute.
Very cute. So we've just got off the train. So we got off in Perth City. And then just jumped on the next connecting train that took us to City West. A little bit of wind going there. And yeah, we're taking a bit of a detour around to Watertown. Well, it used to be called Harbour Town. I think it's Watertown now. But there's some really cool like apartments here. So we'll show you some of that on our little journey today. Wow, I've never seen this before. This looks really cool. It does look very fancy, doesn't it?
You need to find
Market Rise. Yeah. Okay. We'll just keep exploring, I think. We have arrived. We're at Watertown. Waiting patiently to cross the road.
Hotel?
Yeah, it's a hotel at the Central City Stay. So not far from Perth CBD, maybe 500 meters or so. Oh, look at that car. Good one. How is it?
Sweet. Nice strawberry.
Smile, sweetie. Alrighty. I think that's a wrap, isn't it? We got everything we need. Head back. Oh, dripping the water everywhere. Ah. I just spilt the water everywhere. It's almost like sweet and sour at the same time. Nice and tender. Not too chewy. Let's try the rice. It's like soy sauce, is it?
Chicken something spice. Chicken oil, I think.
And the vegetables?
Cucumber. No flavor.
Watery.
Oh really?
Like a nice watery flavour.
Oh, it's quite soft.
So much rice, but as well the rice. Like, I think it'd be better if it had more chicken and less rice. But that's how they make their money, I guess. Chicken's really nice one. Chicken. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you next time. Sweetie's getting right into her chicken and rice at Watertown. It's very delish. How would you rate it? What would you give it out of 10?
Maybe 7.
7? Okay. I think the chicken was quite nice. I give it about 8 or so.